What sets humans apart from other animals? The answer often revolves around a powerful concept: conscience. Conscience is that inner voice that chimes in when we evaluate our actions as right or wrong. It's the moral compass we develop at a personal level, helping us understand the principles we hold dear. This moral compass motivates us to act on those principles, allowing us to assess our character and behavior. Think of it as the part of your personality that helps you distinguish right from wrong, guiding you to resist certain urges and desires in favor of what's considered right, like resisting the temptation to eat in class and choosing to pay attention to the teacher instead. In essence, your conscience is your moral inner voice, dedicated to encouraging pro-social behavior that benefits both you and others. So, let's have a look into this. You are watching Lecture It. Before we delve deeper into how conscience operates, let's differentiate between two similar-sounding terms: consciousness and conscience. Consciousness relates to your awareness of the world around you. It's like the tip of the iceberg in your mind, encompassing all the things you are currently aware of and can readily describe. As you are watching this video, your conscious mind is at work, helping you make connections and stay on track with the content. Beneath the surface lies your subconscious mind, which holds information not immediately available but can be brought into your conscious awareness with relative ease. For example, if someone asks you about last night's dinner, you can effortlessly retrieve that information. The deepest layer, your unconscious mind, houses aspects of your being of which you are unaware. Your fears, violent motives, urges, and desires. These remain hidden from your conscious mind. Now let's explore the development of our conscience. Studies suggest that our moral sense usually begins to take shape by the age of 3. This is when children start to grapple with the concepts of right and wrong and experience feelings of guilt when they believe they have transgressed. Renowned child psychologist Martin Hoffman posits that morality, or conscience, starts to develop as children internalize the rules set by their parents during their formative years. These rules teach children about the world, what's acceptable and how to relate to it, laying the foundation for their conscience, which begins forming as early as age 1. Returning to the realm of psychology, let's consider Sigmund Freud's psychoanalytic theory. Freud suggests that our conscience resides in the superego, which emerges between the ages of 3 to 5. But before the superego, there is the id present from birth, solely focused on seeking pleasure and avoiding pain. It harbors all our desires and urges, even if we know they may not be justifiable. Then comes the ego, which operates on the reality principle, striking a balance between the id's demands and societal expectations. The superego is where our conscience finds its home. It's a repository of information received from our parents and society, dictating how we should act and behave. This moral compass, our conscience, gradually emerges over time to guide us toward appropriate behavior in society. It's crucial to note that the id and the superego primarily operate on the unconscious level, influencing our intuitions and gut feelings, while the ego mediates between them on the conscious level. Now, the million-dollar question is our conscience solely a product of our upbringing, as Freud suggests, or is it an innate quality? Enter the debate between nature and nurture. Some psychologists, like Paul Bloom, argue that we are born with a basic sense of morality. Bloom, a psychologist focusing on morality, religion, and art, posits that all babies arrive with compassion and empathy, as well as a sense of fairness. Genetic studies on adopted twins separated at birth have revealed that those with a genetic predisposition for kindness and empathy tend to exhibit these traits regardless of their upbringing. So, which perspective holds the truth? The evidence supporting both sides is compelling. It's entirely possible that our conscience results from a complex interplay between genetic predispositions and learned behaviors. Our conscience, that inner moral compass, remains a captivating facet of human psychology. Whether it's shaped by our upbringing or inherent traits, it significantly influences how we navigate the complexities of right and wrong. So the next time you find yourself at a moral crossroads, take a moment to appreciate the intricate workings of your conscience, guiding you through the intricacies of life's moral landscape.